To use Plaid with Venmo, start by understanding what Plaid is. Plaid is a financial technology company that allows users to connect their bank accounts to various financial applications, including Venmo. This connection enables users to make payments, transfer funds, and access financial information securely. First, open the Venmo application on your mobile device. If you do not have the Venmo application, download and install it from the App Store. Create a Venmo account if you do not already have one. Next, navigate to the Venmo settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon or a menu button. In the settings menu, select the option to add a bank account or payment method. Choose the option to link a bank account. Venmo will then prompt you to search for your bank. Type in the name of your bank and select it from the list of available banks. You will be redirected to the Plaid website, where you will be asked to enter your bank login credentials. Enter your username and password to authenticate your bank account. Once you have authenticated your bank account, Plaid will connect your bank account to Venmo. You will be asked to select the specific bank account you want to link to Venmo, such as a checking or savings account. Choose the account you want to use and confirm the connection. After linking your bank account to Venmo using Plaid, you can use your bank account to make payments, transfer funds, and access financial information. To make a payment, navigate to the payment screen and select the option to pay with your bank account. Enter the payment amount and confirm the transaction. When using Plaid with Venmo, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure the security of your financial information. Always use strong and unique login credentials for your bank account and Venmo account. Avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your financial information. In addition, regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, contact Venmo and your bank immediately to report the issue. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and conveniently use Plaid with Venmo to manage your finances.